In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use master slides and layouts in Google Slides. If you're looking to create a cohesive and polished presentation, understanding how to use these features effectively is key. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access Google Slides. So open up your Google browser. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and select your Google account. Enter your password and then click on Next to proceed. After logging in, you'll notice a dotted square icon at the top right corner of the browser. Click on this icon, scroll down through the options, and click on Slides to open Google Slides. Once you have Google Slides open, choose the presentation you'd like to work on from your list of files, or start a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now, let's get into editing the master slides. At the top menu, click on Slide, and from the drop-down, choose Edit Theme. This will take you to a special view on the left side of your screen where you'll see the master slide sitting prominently at the top, followed by a series of layout thumbnails below it. The master slide is the place where you can apply universal changes across your entire presentation. Click on this large top thumbnail to begin making edits. Let's start by personalizing your presentation with a logo. To do this, click on Insert, then hover over Image and select Upload from Computer. Find your logo file and click Open. Once it appears on the slide, you can click and drag the corners to resize it to fit your needs. Next, you might want to adjust the text styles across your presentation. Click on the existing text, then in the top toolbar, click on the font icon menu to select a new font style for both your title and body placeholders. This ensures a consistent and professional look throughout your presentation. To add a splash of color to your theme, click on the Colors button in the toolbar. You'll find a drop-down menu called Choose Theme Color, which allows you to select colors that align with your brand or desired look. Once you're happy with your changes, you can close the theme builder, click the X button, or simply click on the name of your presentation in the top left corner to return to the main presentation view. Now let's apply these changes to specific slides using layouts. Back in the usual slide view, select a layout thumbnail from the left panel, then choose an individual slide within your presentation. In the toolbar, locate the Layout drop-down menu and choose the layout you've just customized to apply it to your slide. And there you have it. By mastering the use of slides and layouts in Google Slides, you can create consistent and visually appealing presentations with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.